In this video, let's take an overview of the visual report in MS Project. So the path we have report, then go to the visual reports. You can see here, click on this report. So you can see visual reports, create report. Uh, Dialog box will appear. Actually, visual report in MS Project, you can say, is a powerful feature that allows users to generate visually engaging report that summarize the project data such as task progress and resources utilization, cost, information, and more. So these reports can be presented in chart, graphs, and tables, making it easier for the stakeholders to understand complex project data. Okay, so actually, predefined, you can see we have here the predefined visual reports, okay, predefined templates here. Actually, predefined templates, MS Project especially comes with a set of predefined reports, templates that cater to various aspects of project management. So, these templates include the report on task, resources, cost, assignment, okay, so now this report can display data over time, such as project cost or the resource work utilization, and can be customized further based on your need. Okay, so we can integrate this report where you can say with the Excel and Visio. Let me show you. If I go to the new template, so you will be able to see here visual report, new template. Okay, complete the following steps to create a new template. We can also create a new template. Okay, so now you can see actually we have here the two options. Choose the application that you want to choose for this report template. We can choose here. Okay, we have here two options. Actually, Excel, you can see first one is the Excel option. So, the most common integration for visual reports in MS Project is with Excel. Okay, so MS Project can export data to Excel, where you can take advantages of Excel's charting tools, then tables and advanced functions to analyze and visualize the data further. Okay, so second, you can see we have a Visio. Actually, for more diagrammatic, the reports or process oriented reports, so you can use Visio. Okay, so this integration allow you to create flow chart, timelines, and Gantt chart, offering another visual perspective of your project data. Okay, so you can create new templates. Okay, so now and even you can, if I click on this option, so even you can modify the field picker. Okay, you can see a visual report field picker. You can add, you can remove. Okay, so okay, now let's click on close this option. Okay, so let me show you select templates. You can see here all templates. Okay, so task summary, if I click on task summary, so now we don't have. If you want to create a new template for Excel for from here, even you can choose the data on which you want to report. Okay, so you can choose the data. Okay, or you can go to the field picker. Okay, so you can add or remove. Okay, so second we have here, you can see here the task. Okay, task summary. Okay, and then we have for task summary we have a cash flow report. Okay, so assignment summary, assignment summary, a resources summary. You can see we have here report resource usage. You can see we have three reports related to resource usage. Click on all, so you will be able to see all the reports. Okay, you can also create more templates. Okay, show report templates create in. If I uncheck this in this, so you will not be able to export this into Microsoft Visio. Okay, if you will check in this option, so you can see this report into Visio. Okay, so you can see if I uncheck this option, so you can see cannot have anything. Okay, so these things are for the MS Excel. Okay, so Now, let's try to export one file. Let's suppose we want to export the cash flow. Okay, one thing more. Select level of usage data to include in the report. Click on drop down year, quarter, months, weeks, or days. You can choose here. Okay, so uh, include report templates. You can go to the modify, and you can templates form. You can also choose template form. Okay, so anyways, we are going to choose the weeks. Then now click on view. Anyways, we are going to click on weeks, and then click on view, and you will see here the opening the Excel report templates for our viewing is going to open now. Click on close, and then you can see we have here the complete baseline cost report. Okay, you can see here in histogram. Okay, so if I click on drop down, then go to the R, and then you can see here, you can also check here the quarters, weeks. Okay, so it's up to you. You can select multiple items. You can click on OK. So you can check this, you can filter out. Okay. Uh, So, assignment usage. Let me show you assignment usage in the right side. Here we have a chart. Here we have assignment usage. If you want this presentation, the histogram, now you can see we have in a phases here, and we want to show in a more detailed. Okay, so you can click here. Okay, you can click on preparation work like that part. You can see here, so you can expand. Okay, you understand. And your baseline cost report means the visual report or a histogram will be transferred as per your requirement. Okay, you can uh, do modification, you can expand, you can collapse to present your data. Okay, so okay, let me collapse, and you will see here again, we will have here only the faces. Okay, so on the right side, we can add, actually, this report is very useful, for we can also use this for the analysis for the actual versus baseline. Okay, for cost and for the duration as well. So we can use for the for the work, and we can also add here many other options as per your requirement. Baseline work, baseline cost, baseline budget work, you can see here. Okay, so this is the chart field. Okay, like this we can export the data or export the visual report into Excel. Okay, so and we can present. Okay, I hope everything is clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next